No matter what browser you are using, whether it is Chrome or Safari, you can easily fix this site can't be reached on iPhone or iPad. So in this video, I will get you through how to fix this error. So first of all, open App Store. To fix this issue, we need to change our device IP address, so we have to install VPN app, and search for Tunnel Bear. Install this app. Open the app. Now we need to create free account. Don't worry, it's not ask you to verify yourself, so just give any email address and password, and it will give you access right away. This is our current location, and we have to change it to fix our issue. So from here, you can change your location. I refer you, choose only USA, UK, Canada location, because these location has good DNS config. Tab here to start. Tab on Allow, to give permission to the app for VPN configurations. Once we connected, it will fix the error the site can't be reached. Now let's check this method work properly or not. Thank you for watching. Please comment below if you have any question or suggestion. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up and share this video. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe to our channel to get more updates.